Welcome to OBDSync. In this episode we're going through how to program a replacement engine control module in a Holden RG Colorado fitted with the Bosch style ECM, which is what you find in those 2012-2013 vehicles. So first off, click the vehicle button and go to the ECM tile. This is to begin loading in the available options for this module. We'll head up to the flashing tab. We'll make sure we have a battery charger or maintainer fitted, and once we do, we'll go ahead and click the right button. We'll get a pop-up indicating that it's going to wipe away any custom tune if it is custom tuned. We'll just go ahead and press OK. This will then begin downloading the required files and begin the flashing sequence. Flashing does typically take about 30-40 seconds to complete. I have fast forwarded through this section here. Once it's done, we will get a pop-up indicating that it's successful. We'll click OK. We'll then head up to Learn Functions, where we'll perform our next two tasks, which take 10 minutes each. The first one being the VIN security link, and then the final one being the immobilizer security link. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Otherwise, we'll see you next time.